Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are studying at home. Today I am going to teach for UKG students and the subject will be English. And what is the chapter's name? It is vowels. Students, have you ever heard about vowels? If not, come. Today I will say you what are vowels. Okay? So, in an English alphabet, do you know how many letters are there in an English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. And what are they? They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So how many are there? How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. Okay. So among these 26 alphabets, there are 5 such alphabets which are called vowels. And what are they? They are A, E, I, O and U. Okay. How many vowel letters are there? There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 vowels. And what are they? They are A, E, I, O and U. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. And rest of the letters which are left here, those are called consonant. Okay. And what are those? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These letters are called consonant. How many letters are there in consonant? There are 21 letters, okay, in consonant. And vowels are 5, only 5. Those are A, E, I, O and U. Children, look on to page number 15. What is there written? Children, you have read all the 26 letters in English alphabet. Do you know there are 5 special letters out of them? They are A, E, I, O, U. They are called vowels. Okay, as I told you before, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. See, one picture is given here and some objects or some words has been given. A picture has been given. So first one is umbrella. What what letter it is starting? U. Okay. See, U is there. So this letter is starting with a vowel sound. Okay. Igloo. I. It's there here, isn't it? So igloo is starting with I, vowel. Egg, orange, apple. All apple, orange, eggs, igloo and umbrella all are starting with vowels. Next page, consonant. Now there are 21 letters left. As I told you before, rest out of the English alphabet, okay, there the rest of the letters which are left other than A, E, I, O, U, all such letters are called consonant. Okay. Say children, in page number 17, a worksheet has been given. Okay. What has been written here? The following pictures begin their names with vowels. Identify them and write the first letter of their names. So, all you can see all these pictures. One is of ostrich, one is of orange, one is of apple, one is of umbrella, one is of eagle, one is of ink, one is of ice cream, one is of igloo and owl. So you have to, what you have to do? You have to identify the picture and you have to write the first letter of their name. Okay, this we will do in worksheet or in the next WhatsApp. Then see in the next picture, in next page it has been given the following pictures begin their names with consonants. Identify them and write the first letter of their names. See, the pictures all has been given, one of a camel, one of a penguin, one of a king, one of a hen, one of a lion, rabbit, monkey, dog and this is sheep. Okay, so all the starting letters are what? Consonant. All the words, all the letters which are starting, the first letter of the words are starting with consonant. Okay, I am just discussing all such things and later we will be doing. Okay, then see the next page, page number 19. Look at the pictures, identify them and write the missing vowels. See, all the pictures are there. Okay, so you have to identify their names, each of their names, and you have to write the missing letter. Okay, what is missing? See, what is this? Can you identify, children? This is an arrow. Okay, so see what they has written, double ROW. What is missing? Can you say? A is missing, so we have to write here A. Then what is it? Bag. BAG. A is missing out here. Then what is it? Yes, a cap. What is missing? A. So all the letters which are missing, you can understand this all are vowels letter. Okay, vowel letter which are missing. A. So here what is it? This is cap. So what is missing out here? C A P. So A is missing here. What is it? He is a lad. LAD. A is missing again. Then what is it? This is an apple. So A is missing again. Okay, APPLE, apple. What is it? This is jam. Yes, we all eat jam, isn't it? With bread. So A is missing again. JAM, jam. What is it? Bat. With this we play cricket, isn't it? So again see the spelling of bat, BAT, A is missing out here. And what is it? Pan. PAN, pan. So again A is missing. Students, I think now you are clear with vowels and consonant. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. And how many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants. So I think you are clear with it. Study a bit. Okay? Till then, bye.